this video, I'm going to give away some of these magic wands. So stay tuned. At the end, I'll tell you how to do this. But all right, welcome back. For this magic trick, it involves 3 pieces of rope. This is really cool. I've been doing this for a long time, ever since I was in my teens, and I still perform it nowadays at some of my shows. But you need 3 pieces of rope. You need a small piece, you need a medium piece, and you also need a long piece. There we go. Now, if you were actually here, I would let you actually check these out. I promise you there's no magnets, no trap doors, no mirrors, anything like that hidden inside. But watch what I can do. Is if I fold up the small piece, then I fold up the medium piece, and then I take the long piece and fold that up. You see how now they look the same size at the top? You see? But they are not the same size at the bottom. But since I'm a magician, I can fix that. Watch, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. We now have 3 pieces of rope, all now the same size. 1, 2, and 3. 3 pieces of rope, now the same size. Now watch, now I have to get them right back to normal. And there you go. 1, 2, 3. The short piece, the medium piece, and then the long piece. Pretty cool, huh? If you'd like to learn how that was done, stick around. Make sure your friends aren't looking, and I'll show you. Come on, let's go. Well, all right, welcome back. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this trick. It's really easy, simple to do, and then I'll walk you through the mechanics of it, okay? Now, I just use red rope. I got this from a magic shop. If you don't have access to that, you can use any type of clothesline would work, or they would have some type of rope at Home Depot or Lowe's, okay? But you want to make sure it's as soft as possible, okay? You don't want a real stiff rope. You want it pretty soft, okay? It just works a lot better, all right? Let me show you how to make this. All right, for this, you're going to need a tape measure, some rope, and some scissors, okay? Now, first thing you're going to do is measure. I got about 11 inches there. You see, 11 inches. But I'm going to cut just a little bit further than 11 inches, and I'll explain it to you in a second why, okay? So you take your rope, come down here, you got 11 inches right there. I'm going to go ahead and cut that just a little bit further than 11 inches. All right? We got it like this, okay? See? So there's one. Get rid of that one. Now the next one, let's see how long this is. The next one is almost 2 feet. A little bit over 2 feet. So I'm going to stretch that out just a little bit longer. Okay? Stretch it out to about 2. We'll cut it right here. Okay? There you go. All right. Now, for the last piece of rope, the long piece, what you're going to do is take this one, fold it up like this, okay? Then you take the little piece, put it right here, just like that, okay? So here's the short piece, and there is the medium piece. And this is how we're going to actually make the long piece. See how long that is? All right. Put it up there. So we're about right at 18. So what I'm going to do is stretch it out just a little bit longer. You'll see why here in a second. About right there. Good. All right. Now, if you look at this, here's the short piece, medium piece, and long piece. Look at this now. Looks all about the same, right? You see up here, it's a little bit longer, so I'm going to cut just a little bit of this off right here. Just like this, okay? There you go. Now, here's what I do. This here, I don't like it fraying like that, you see? We'll cut that off. Now, there's 2 different ways of doing this, okay? Let me make sure this is the same size now. Yeah, that's good, okay. Now, there's 2 different ways of doing this. You can actually put super glue on the end of these. That way they don't fray like that. Or you can take a pin and press the pin, push the rope into itself like this, okay? That way it doesn't fray up on you, and that will last you for a long time, okay? Or even a pencil would work. But see, now look at this. See how I pushed it all in there now? It just looks so much nicer than this in here, you see? Because that's going to start fraying a little bit, okay? And you can push it down. Then you can actually take you some glue, just put a dab of glue right in there. I don't usually do it because then people start picking at it and they think it might be a magnet or something, so yeah, just leave it alone. Yeah, just push it down in there. That way you got that. And then we'll push this one down in here like this. Well, all right, look at this. You have your ropes tucked in. Look how professional that looks. These will actually last you a lot longer if you do that, okay? If you take the time. Now, let me show you the learning part of the magic, okay? You have a short piece first, then you take your medium piece, you line it up next to the short piece. Then you have your long piece. You line it up, okay? Now, we'll do the same thing. So short, medium, long. You take the short piece up, then the medium piece, and then the long piece, okay? Now, short, medium, long, short, medium, long, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the first two, skip the third one, and grab the other long one. So you actually have long, medium, skip the short, and grab the other long one, okay? You're gonna, these two here, and this fourth one over, okay? So you grab all them like this, and you pull really fast, and when you pull it, they all look the same size, you see? But here's the secret part of it right here, okay? You actually have the short piece connected to the long piece like this, okay? That way when you hold the medium up here like this is the medium. Now that's how they all look the same size, like that. All right, so you got it? Pretty simple, easy to do. You never show it this way, it won't be a trick. Hold it like this. And once you get it positioned, you can hold it up like this, and then just use 2 fingers if you want. You don't have to show it often, you know, just kind of gesture like this would be good, all right? So that way you have 3 pieces, all now the same size. Now here's a move. Might take you a while, took me a while. I'm gonna pull out the medium piece like this, okay? Now as I come back, I'm gonna grab both of these and leave that medium piece there, okay? That way you have a medium piece, and it looks like you showed all 3 pieces. Let me show you again. It's kind of hard to do. You just gotta do it, not think about it. I'm thinking too much about it. Watch. So this is the real piece, okay? Then I'm gonna switch it, place that there, pull out the 2 pieces like that, and pull this piece, okay? Wait, show you have 3 pieces. Now there's a lot of different ways you can get them back together to the normal state that they were in, okay? So you have it like this, all right? You can just drop them, or you can have somebody hold them. What I like to do sometimes, I'll put one in my mouth like this, grab the short piece, this is a long piece, the long piece, grab the short piece, then a medium piece like this. That way it kind of breaks everything up. That way, you know, you can throw them right out and let everybody examine them to show them that there's no trapdoors, mirrors, or anything like that hidden inside. Let me show you one more time. I'll walk you through it really quick. The short piece, medium piece, then the long piece. Short piece goes up, then the medium piece, then the long piece. I'm going to grab 2, skip the third one, and grab the 4th one. Pull down really quick, and there you go. They all look exactly the same size, you see? And when you're ready to do, get them back to normal, I'll grab one in my mouth, like that, grab the other one here, other one here. That way, a nice little ending to it. Shows all 3 pieces back to normal. And there you go. Hope you liked it. All right, I really hope you enjoyed that magic trick on the ropes. Now it is time for the giveaway. I'm going to actually give away, let's give away 7 of these. That'd be really cool. I use wands once in a while during my shows. I don't use them all the time, but let me show you some of these tricks that this wand can actually do. Watch. Make it jump out of your hand. If you also have hair, which I don't anymore, let's just pretend, thank you so much. You can actually give it static electricity and make that wand float right in the air just like that. Pretty cool, huh? Well, if you would like to win this, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to me. Go down below and in the comments write, I love magic. And also give this video a like, all right? A thumbs up, please. Now, next week, I will be mailing 7 of these out to 7 lucky people. I really hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.